In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to order labels in Trello so you can quickly filter, organize, and focus on the cards that matter most. If you're using Trello for project management, lesson planning, team workflows, or personal productivity, knowing how to filter and order your board by labels can save you a huge amount of time. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Trello in your browser and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to go to the board where you want to order or filter cards by labels. If you're already on the correct board, that's perfect. If not, look to the top left area of your screen and click on Switch Boards. This will open up your list of available boards. From here, choose the workspace where your board is located. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you select the correct one so you can access the right project. Click on the board you want to work with and wait for it to load completely. Now that you're inside your Trello board, the next step is to use the filtering feature. At the top of your board, look for the Filter Cards option. Click on Filter Cards to open the filtering panel. This feature allows you to narrow down visible cards based on different criteria, including labels. Once the filter panel opens, you'll see different filtering options. What we're focusing on today is labels. Go ahead and select the Labels dropdown section. This will display all the labels currently available on this board, including their colors and names. To order or filter your board by a specific label, simply click on the label you want to use. As soon as you click it, Trello will instantly update your board view. You'll now only see the cards that have that selected label attached to them. This makes it much easier to prioritize tasks, track specific categories of work, or review items related to a certain topic. If you want to apply multiple labels at the same time, you can click more than one label in the list. Trello will then filter the cards based on your selected combination. This is especially useful for teams managing complex workflows, where tasks may overlap between categories. After selecting the label or labels you want, make sure to click on Save if the option appears in your filter view. This ensures your selected filter settings are applied properly. Once saved, your board will remain filtered so you can focus only on the relevant cards. At any time you want to remove the filter and return to viewing all your cards, simply go back to the Filter Cards option and clear the selected labels. Your full board will then appear. And that's it. That's how you order and filter cards by labels in Trello. It's a simple feature, but it makes a big difference when it comes to staying organized and productive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.